Yes, Alibaba has added cool new AI features to its Alibaba app to help you find a great supplier. So let's find out. So our company actually started back in 2017, and in 2019, we started doing videos right here on YouTube. And let me tell you, the most asked question and the comments that we get a lot on the channel are all related to finding the right supplier, avoiding getting scammed on Alibaba, and really finding a good quality product.
Alibaba on Tuesday unveiled its generative artificial intelligence model, Tongyi Tianwen. It is the Chinese company's version of the tech that powers chatbot ChatGPT. Alibaba said the AI model would be integrated into all of the firm's apps in the near future.
So the great thing is Alibaba has added really cool AI-powered features into the Alibaba app to help you find incredible suppliers and overall make your experience of sourcing products much faster. So let's say that you found this product on TikTok and you really like it and you want to source it so that you can sell it on Amazon or maybe on other e-commerce marketplaces, but Amazon is king, you know that. So what happens normally right now is you figure out what the keyword of that product is, you log into Alibaba, you type in that keyword, and you endlessly scroll through different suppliers trying to figure out which would be the best supplier for you. But now Alibaba has rolled out a feature, a smart feature, that can help you search for that product, that same exact product, using image search. You simply type in the image, or you add rather the image, and then Alibaba is going to find the same exact product. Now, for you original viewers of the channel, hold on, I know you're going to tell me, but this feature has already been on Amazon for a very long time. Yes, that's true. However, with the AI technology, it's become honestly 1,000 times better and more accurate. Now, with that being said, let's say that Alibaba somehow doesn't find the product that you are searching for. Or let's also say that you want to completely manufacture a customized product. So you don't want to find something that's already available. So the best feature for you to use is request for quotation, better known as RFQ. Now that's great. You can log in and type in what you need to do is to type in the detailed information, and you need to be as detailed as possible so that you can find the right manufacturer straight away, explain to them exactly what the product needs to look like. And honestly, if you are a new seller, these technical details might be things that you're not really aware of. Maybe you're just passionate about the product, but you're not a technical product manufacturer or a product person. So in comes Alibaba's Smart Assistant. Honestly, I think this is the coolest feature because the Smart Assistant can actually tell you exactly what are the details that you need to add into the detailed information. So it can guide you. AI-powered ChatGPT combined together. Not only that, after you actually add the details, the smart feature, the Smart Assistant, is actually going to generate an image, an AI image, so that you can add it in your RFQ, and then you'll get the exact quotation for the product that you want, and you'll hopefully find a great supplier. Now, there are so many other cool features, but before I talk about my last one, and also one of my favorites, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. As always, like this video and leave me a comment in the comment section below. And Amazon Sellers Society is so passionate about helping everyday entrepreneurs just like you succeed on the Amazon platform in the Middle East. Make sure you reach out to us on our website. You can chat with the team. You can book a meeting and a call with the team to know a little bit more about our services and how we can help you boost your sales, find the right product, list your products, create an optimized listing. So many things that we can help you with. Just reach out to us on our website, www.assmiddleeast.org. You'll also find all of the details in the description box of this video. And now you've found a great supplier. The next step would be to reach out to them and communicate. Now, this is also a problem for a lot of sellers as well as manufacturers. Language. Yes, of course, Most of the manufacturers do have someone on their team that speaks English, but sometimes, if you've had this experience, let me know in the comments. Sometimes there is miscommunication, even if you're speaking the same language, and you want to avoid having any problems. And it might be that English is not your primary language, and you also don't feel comfortable in speaking English. Here comes the Amazon Smart Assistant. And yes, you can do live, real-time translation if you're speaking with someone through the Amazon app, or even you can translate using when you are doing the chat. That is one of the coolest features. That way you can speak in whatever language you want to speak, and then the other person get it translated, and then they will understand what you are talking. Really, there are so many new features that have this AI smart assistant added to them that makes them so much more efficient. And I think really what Alibaba is doing is just focusing on making sure that the user experience, our experience, is so much better, because at the end of the day, the better the experience, the better products you're going to find. Let me know if you like the information in this video, and if you want us to do a part 2, leave me a comment in the comment section and make sure that you like this video. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.